Hi everyone, I'm Dimitri, an architect and instructor at Labideas, and in this class, I'll show you how we can create an isometric of my 3D model. To do this, we're now going to make some camera adjustments and also style adjustments. For that, let's start with the camera. In the top camera tab, I'm going to change from perspective to parallel projection. In the views toolbar, which are these little houses, I can click on the first option, which is ISO. If I don't have this toolbar, I can then go to the camera tab again. We'll have standard views there and choose the last option, ISO. And then I'll use the H now, the pan. I don't use orbit because otherwise it'll go out of the angle I want, okay? So always use the pan, which is the little hand. Now we're going to adjust the style of my model, making a few changes here, but they'll look more interesting for a portfolio. To do this, I can either have the bar called Views Visible, or I can also go to the View tab at the top of the screen, go to Face Styles, and then go to Hidden Line. After that, it will leave it just in lines. The next adjustments will be in the Styles window. So here on the right side, I'll find Styles and maximize it. I'll click on the Middle Edit tab, and let's adjust these colors. Notice that there are 5 boxes down here. I'll initially click on the first one because I want to make my drawing lighter. In Profiles, where the value will be 2, I'll change it to 1 and press Enter. You'll notice that the drawing's readability will be more detailed and the lines will be thinner. Now I'm going to move on to the third box, which is actually for the background and the sky, basically the background settings. Here, I'll go ahead and change the background color. To do this, just click on the box and leave it white. Remembering that you just slide the bar all the way up, the color will only change when I click OK. If I wanted to save it with black lines, I could already go and export it, as I'll show later. If I want to change the line colors, I can go back to the Edge Settings window, down at the bottom where the color box is, which is set to all same. I can then click right on the black and choose another color that I want for the lines. Finally, let's save this image by exporting it as a JPG. To do this, let's go to the top File tab. We have the export option right here. I'll go to 2D graphic, and then the location where I'll save it will open. Down there, check if the format is JPEG, and it's always important to click on Options and adjust the quality of your image. I always recommend unchecking this box and then setting the quality configuration that you would like. I set it here, for example, to 3000 pixels. And then you just need to click OK and then go to Export. Once that's done, we will have our image already saved on our computer, ready for us to use. And the resource that we have is very interesting to use in presentations, in your portfolio, in competitions, and so on. Remembering that we have the full SketchUp course, which is in the description, and I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. We will see you then in the next lessons. Thank you very much.